In a magical land, there lived an old timekeeper. His job was very special. He gave out time to everyone in the world. From his tall tower, he watched over everyone, making sure every second was used well. One day, two visitors came to see him. The first was a young artist, full of ideas but feeling like time was running out too quickly. "Please, give me more time," she said. "I needed to paint beautiful pictures." The second visitor was an old man who had lived a long life. He felt sad because he thought he had wasted his time. "I need more time to fix my mistakes and enjoy the important things," he asked. The timekeeper thought hard. How could he give them both more time without upsetting the balance of the world? He decided to travel and see how people use their time. He went to busy cities and quiet villages. He saw people rushing around and others who enjoyed each moment. He saw children playing, friends laughing, and old people sharing stories. He noticed that the happiest people were those who valued their time, no matter how little they had. When he returned to his tower, he called the visitors back. "I can't give you more time," he said kindly, "but I can help you understand time better." To the artist, he said, "Every moment you spend on your art is precious. It's not about having lots of time, but making the most of each moment." To the old man, he said, "It's never too late to find meaning. Enjoy the time you have left. It's not about how long you live, but how you live each moment." The visitors thanked the timekeeper and left. The artist painted with new energy, and the old man enjoyed his days with happiness and purpose. The timekeeper smiled, knowing he had helped them see the true value of time. He went back to his special job, happy that he had made a difference.